So I'm also trying to find the courage to start to look at the baby clothes I have since I lost my little girl. I have prepared them, and I had prepared them when she was newborn, but put them away in a box here. And there are some other things like a nursing bra and some diapers and some things like that for her in this box. And I thought I think this is a good time to start to look through this box and see what I need to buy new and what I can use and so on, because most of those clothes are almost 20 years old, and well, I like to have some new things, but I also like to have some of those older things. And I will also try to draw some patterns out from those clothes, ones I remember was fitting well for newborn baby, because not everything does. But the ones, my favorite clothes, I'm going to do some patterns, because a lot of fabric at home, and I like to do things for myself or by myself. And well, I think most people would say that the fabrics I have at home mostly fit for a baby girl, but I don't give a about that. I don't think there are such things as, boy colors and girl colors and so on. I think it should be for any child. And well, I won't make any dresses before I know for sure that it is a girl, because I don't think I will dress a boy in a dress. Or of course, if a boy wants to have a dress, and most little boys do want to have a dress at one point or another, but maybe not as a baby. I think it's something he should tell me in that case if he wants to. Of course, it's perfectly fine with that, no problem at all. And there are a lot of princess things at home, which all my daughter's friends, being boys, has loved to dress out and go around and felt pretty and so on. So absolutely no problem. But I won't dress a baby boy in a dress. I think it should be his own choice. And but as I said, I don't care about the colors at all. So I'm gonna do this pretty clothes, cute clothes, but for a baby, for not for a certain gender. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty emotional, and I think that's why I have tried to occupy myself a bit doing other things today. I've helped my dad to clean out a pond in the garden. He has a small pond, and yeah, things like that. But now I'm gonna get started with the feathers. Those I have here, those pretty things, rainbow colored ones. Yeah, I'm gonna upload some of those. And I'm not sure I will be able to upload anything more or record anything more. Upload I will be able to, but record anything more before I go home, and I think I will be home after Sunday. So have a nice Easter, and feel free to ask anything if you like to. Thanks for watching.